Hey y'all, and welcome back to the vlog. I am starting off my vacation right now. I'm going ahead and kicking off this vlog because right now I am in the middle of packing. So I am going to Chicago with my mother-in-law, and we're going to be leaving on Friday. Today is Wednesday, but I will be driving to Memphis tomorrow so that we can drive together to Chicago. So today kicks off my vacation officially once I get off of work at 8 o'clock. And just a fun fact, it's like 2:30 a.m. right now. No, actually 2:44, yeah. So it's like really late. I need to be asleep. But because I'm a procrastinator and I have not packed anything, I'm just now packing my bag. So me packing my bag turned into me cleaning up, washing clothes, me putting a face mask on. Like, I did just record a clip, but I look so crazy. I'm not really sure if I'm going to include it or not, but I was just showing you guys how nasty this mask looked while I was on my face, because it looked like my face was peeling. But I'm just using this, the mask I'm using, this K Bella pineapple something peel off mask right here. And I got this at Target. Like, this is a brand that I've seen at Target a few times. But my skin has been looking real dull, and if you could tell, like, I know I showed in a video before, but I got all these like dry patches. My skin has been looking real dull and dehydrated, like just dry. So I bought that hydrating mask to try to give myself a little, you know, lift me up, because I don't want to be on vacation feeling like insecure about my skin or anything like that. So I went ahead and put that on. But yeah, so right now this is what I got going. I'm packing for the trip and everything. I'm packing my toiletries, which these are really pretty much packed. This is my toiletry bag, and this, I'm trying to find something to put that in because I don't want to take that bottle. It's practically empty, so I guess I should go ahead and take it. And we're driving, so it really don't matter about full-size products and stuff. But anyway, so I'm packing that. Gonna figure out how I'm gonna fit that into my suitcase. And then I'm packing up my vlog stuff because this little baggie came with my camera. I'm just gonna use it because, I mean, it is what it is. It's gonna allow me to take like my extra battery, extra memory cards and stuff like that. Hey y'all, so I just finished gassing up my car. I'm about to get ready to hit the road to Memphis. So this is it, like, ready to roll. Gonna hit the road.
Perfect.
So we made it to Memphis. My first stop, Mr. P's. Ching's was out my way, so we eat Mr. P's. Hot wings, my favorite food. Nashville hot wings suck. For real, they suck. But whatever, I'm gonna eat my food. You gotta look right here. Back up so we can see.
That's on YouTube. If you try one more thing, I didn't read it.
Say hello to the vlog.
I want to say hello to the future. Hello to the future. The all of that. Hello to the future.
Oh, I did.
So when you was over at that house and you put that outfit on,
He told me to put that on.
A is a winner.
That's
A winner. That's when they first found
A
it.
is a winner.
A winner in the afternoon.
And they listen to that for a long time.
Oh my God. And then they argue over
that every day.
one wanna listen to H, one wanna listen to B. B
Come here.
is a letter.
Can I have a hug?
And Cat said I was a loud. And Cat said Pete. And Cat said I was loud.
Hey, I love you.
And Cat said I
You
was
ready to go
loud
stand
in the
up?
store. Say to the future.
Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Hey to the future.
Again.
He said what?
He said gitch.
Gitch.
That's a S word. K word.
You didn't say it. Come on. It's okay. Why are you crying? You didn't say it. It's okay. He's so sensitive. He did not say the N word.
And what's the gitch is not a bad word.
Yes, it is. That's a K word. That's an I word.
It's neither.
So now the time is, it's 6:48. I have gotten dressed now. I'm ready. I got this scarf on because I'm tying my edges down. But I really barely put on any makeup today. I put on some concealer and then powder on top. So that's how I'm looking. I slapped on my lashes. I didn't have any tweezers, y'all. So just had to slap my lashes on. But okay, so simply because I got time today, obviously, let me go ahead and show y'all our outfit of the day. So I'm wearing this little black, just a black cami basically. It's like a ribbed cami. And I got this, I think I got this from Forever 21. I'm not sure. And I got these from, I'm in the bathroom. I'm vlogging. Thanks. Okay. I'm sorry. So I got this rib cami. It came from Forever 21. These Bermuda shorts I got on, they came from Target. They're Wild Fable Bermuda shorts. They're just like ripped at the knees like that. And then this leopard belt is also from Target, Wild Fable, marked line. So this is my outfit of the day, and I'm just wearing some black sandals. And we finna hit the road, y'all. So see y'all in the next clip.
Perfect.
I'm still Googling Dunkin' Donuts near me or Starbucks near me or anything besides McDonald's near me. Okay.
See McDonald's.
I don't want McDonald's. McDonald's is nasty.
It's 32. Welcome to Porto Fish or something.
Patty's Inn. Oh, we don't need to stop here anyway.
Patty, they may be like, get out.
Patty didn't like try to get us. Dunkin' Donuts, Sykeston, Missouri. Oh, we gotta pass through Sykeston.
Yeah.
Is that where like the Lamberts and all of that is? You know, when people go to the place where they Lamberts, where they throw you the rolls and all of that. It's like 30 minutes. We gonna be at it's a Dunkin' Donuts. Let's just make sure it's going the way we're going. Okay, we might be okay in about 30 minutes. We might have some action.
We have some action.
In about 30 minutes.
You need me to stop?
No. You're
Welcome
fine.
to Illinois. Okay, Illinois, when you get into Illinois, this is where you got Cairo and all that. This is where they really be at out here. They gonna be getting you up through here, baby. We used to be smoking coming through here. Ma'am, do you know you realize how fast she was going?
Yeah, this is my outfit. I can show better now.
Mm-hmm.
You want to do an outfit of the day? When you do an outfit of the day, you're supposed to say where your stuff is from.
Well, I got the jeans from Old Navy. And I got the t-shirt from Marshall's. The shoes came from Marshall's too. Very comfortable shoes. I love them. I'm going to just to get them. And this is my favorite.
This is messing up our outfit. Okay. Your bag?
My bag is a
Brahmin bag, yeah.
Brahmin bag.
Okay.
Yes.
Where you get your shoes?
The shoes came from Marshall's.
Okay.
Very comfortable.
Nice pants.
Nice pants.
Rips in the knees.
All navy.
Embroidery on the side.
I got that Old Navy off the clean side. So I really feel good. I got lucky this day. Oh, really? Is that me? I'm awfully thick. Is that right mirror?
I think the mirror is correct. I'm watching the road, ma'am.
You better be watching the road. What was Robbie? She was watching the road and then
Vlogging.
Blogging. What you say? Did say road.
Perfect.
How did it look?
It's like a snow cone. I don't know.
That's what it is. I was trying to show my purse. Oh, Lord. Balancing. Oh. You know what we need?
Can't you sit it down in this?
Oh, no. It's not. I'm about to put it back right here. Ooh. Okay. Is it moving? It's good. All right, so we just left the mall. What you want to show my mom? Okay, these are sandals. 70% off everything in the store. And then I picked up a purse. This little round. Oh, I'm like, who is Dre?
Perfect.
With the phone.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna.
Get ready to go to my mother's building. We're in the building now. We hit the ramp to get in the building. I'm very nervous this morning because I haven't seen my mother in a long time.
She doesn't know we're
She
coming.
doesn't know we're coming.
Okay. She don't know. We're good. Wait, no, crazy. Okay. Jesus, I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. On the right. It's on the right. Yeah.
That's from the back.
No, it's on the right. It's on the front right here. Yeah. Oh gosh. Stand away from the thing. She gonna see you. Get away. Oh, Jesus, I'm nervous. Hello.
Hello, mother.
I can watch you do that for. I knew you, what you do that for.
Oh my God. Oh, I'm not even recording it.
They always gonna know when you cry. Why didn't you let me see this background? Hey, Robbie.
Hey. We was trying to be incognito.
What you do that for birthday? Why you do that? I don't want to. Hey, why you do that? What if I hadn't been at home?
You should be at home, Miss Shari already told me.